Masters of camouflage. Praying mantises can look like leaves, twigs, or even flowers, making them expert ambush predators. Lightning-fast reflexes. They strike their prey in 1/20th of a second, so fast it's hard to see with the naked eye. They eat prey bigger than themselves like lizards, frogs, hummingbirds, and even snakes. With 2 compound eyes and 3 simple eyes, they can detect motion, depth, and even see in 3D. Good for your garden because they eat pests like aphids and flies, making them natural pest control agents. They do a threat display when threatened. Mantises spread their wings, rear up, and flash bright colors to intimidate enemies. They're silent assassins. They make no sound when hunting, moving like ghosts through the leaves.